In D.C., Ilhan Omar's net worth went from a miraculous $6 to $30 million to just now $95,000. So today we're bringing here a gift. We have the Counting for Dummies book right here. And also, it's summertime. It's getting hot outside. We're bringing her a Leering Center t-shirt. Here we go. We've made it to Ilhan Omar's office. Let's see if she answers. Hello, is Ilhan here?
The congresswoman's not here.
She's not here? She's never here. Well, it's summertime.
She's over at her committee, yeah.
I got her a new Leering Center hoodie, or t-shirt, because it's hot outside.
Okay.
And then I also brought her an accounting book, because her net worth has had some weird fluctuations from $30 million now to just $95,000. So if you could give these to her, I'd be greatly appreciative of that. And it is summertime, so she should be able to wear the new t-shirt. Thank you so much.
What a perfect gift for an incompetent congresswoman. That was independent journalist Nick Shirley gifting Congresswoman Ilhan Omar a Leering Center t-shirt, and most importantly, an Accounting for Dummies book. And boy, does she need it. But of course, she was nowhere to be seen. If you can recall, Ilhan Omar amended her financial disclosure forms, showing a dramatic drop in her reported net worth. She and her husband previously reported assets valued between $6 million and $30 million, but the amended filings showed figures that were nearly 100% lower at $18,000 and $95,000. Totally not shady at all. Jesse, I got to ask you, how do you all as Democrats deal with Ilhan Omar? The mistakes, I mean, you see these mistakes, you just kind of be like,
well, I don't deal with her. I'm not a Democrat and I hate her guts, to be perfectly honest with you. So, maybe you want to try that question on the other end of the table. But look, I have no idea. That's a lot more than 100% fluctuation in net worth, right? 30 million down
you don't need math for dummies.
95,000. Yeah, I don't even need the textbook to figure out that one.
To this point, I don't know how you survive living in Washington, D.C. with, what is it, $18,000 to $95,000. I mean, I think we talk about what a salary would take to be able to live and pay rent here, mortgages, that sort of thing. I mean, it does seem, it's crazy.
Jason, I thought actually the staffer was very nice. She just took the book. She didn't want to cause a scene. She was really kind of
She probably saw the camera there and was like, I don't want to be on Newsmax.
I mean, but this is what Nick Shirley knows how to do well. It's like he literally knows how to find these viral moments.
Yeah, I mean, I think, like you said, the staffer didn't really give him a whole lot to work with. It would have been
Ilhan
different
Omar did.
if she had, slammed the door. And also, we all know from Accounting 101 or whatever that it's assets minus liabilities, and her original figure didn't include that. And she had a very bad accountant. And I can tell you, I had to file an amended return recently and got money back from the government because I had a bad accountant. So these things do happen.
How much are those Leering Center t-shirts worth? She might have violated congressional ethics rules there with accepting that gift.
I do think maybe Nick Shirley should sell these Leering t-shirts online. I think he could probably make.
Oh, I bet he does.
He sells sweatshirts.
Yeah.
I bet he does.
I mean, I think that the whole accounting issue could tie into her legal issues, but the t-shirt, all of that, she's going to stay in the news. I think that this is the least of her worries. We know that she's being investigated for her involvement with what went on with the fraud allegations and some of the restaurant that she would hold events at that was caught up in this. I think they were doing, 21,000 meals a day, which is impossible, I would say. So, there's that. Of course, the immigration allegations too, Foldy.
Well, I would get her How to Not Marry Your Brother for Dummies, because it does seem like she should probably give that a read.